In the one-day Simulation Professional course, you'll build on your simulation foundation and expand your skills to simulate more and faster. Here's what you'll learn. You'll start with topology and shape optimization, automatically finding the best design and geometry based on your performance goals. Then, you'll use the Load Case Manager to quickly automate what-if scenarios and get a deeper understanding of overall performance. Next, you'll apply submodeling to simplify massive assemblies by zooming in on critical areas, saving time without sacrificing accuracy. You'll also harness 2D simplification to supercharge your studies and get accurate results in the blink of an eye. From there, you'll expand your toolkit beyond static strength tests into new study types that uncover other possible failure modes. Fatigue analysis shows you how a design holds up over years of use, not just a single load. Frequency modal analysis reveals whether vibration or resonance could lead to failure. Buckling studies ensure your design won't suddenly twist or collapse under loading. For handheld or consumer products, you'll explore drop tests to see how designs behave when they hit the ground. And you'll push beyond stress and displacement into thermal analysis, understanding the effects of heat transfer through conduction, convection, and radiation. All this in just one day, so you can simulate faster, explore more scenarios, and dramatically expand your engineering skills.